I will not cough. I will not.
When you've got a cough from a cold and you can't suppress it yourself, you need a strong cough medicine. Vicks Formula 44. Formula 44 can help suppress the hacking cough you can't suppress. You can't buy a more powerful cough suppressant than the one in Formula 44, yet it's not narcotic. Formula 44 can help suppress the cough you can't suppress. And now for coughs that come with stuffed up noses, something new from Vicks.
My baby's got a nasty cough and a stuffed up nose, poor baby. Here's Vicks new Formula 44D, a strong cough suppressant plus a decongestant. Helps calm your cough and unclog your nose so you can breathe easier. You're gonna be all right, baby.